everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to sign up for a Stash account. So without further ado, let's get straight into the video. First of all, open a web browser and type in stash.com inside the URL bar. Once you are done, press enter to end up in the official website for Stash. To create a new account, you can download the Stash application on your iOS or your Android devices and get started with the sign up process. If you want to sign up inside your web browser, go ahead and click on the Get Started button. Now, click on Sign Up on the next page. While signing up for your Stash account, you'll need to enter an email and create a password. Type in a valid email address you have an access to in the first text box. Once done, head over to the password box and type in a strong password for your account. While creating your password, make sure that your password includes one lowercase letter, an uppercase letter, number, and it must be at least 8 characters long. Once you create a password, click on Create Account button at the bottom. Enter a phone number on the next page and you'll receive a one-time verification code in it. Make sure to press on this next box as well, from where you can agree to receive servicing and verification text message from Stash. If you want to opt into text to get financial tips, stock party reminders and more, check on this next box as well and finally click Continue. Now enter your verification code that has been sent to you via your SMS. After entering your 4-digit code, you will be able to sign up for your Stash account. And soon after you do that, you will be able to create a new account for Stash. So that's how easy it is to create a new account or sign up for stash.com within a few minutes. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next episode. Goodbye till then.